Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create the mystification effect on Higgsfield AI, and this is what the mystification effect looks like. So the person disappears with smokes and illusions. So all you have to do to create this kind of effect is to go to higgsfield.ai, then go to the visual effects section and scroll and look for mystification effect here. So you can see it in this is it here. So once you've done that, just click on the mystification and you'll be brought to a page like this where you get to see video samples that have been created using that particular effects, and you can create similar one just by clicking on any of these to recreate, or you can just click on generate in this area to create your own customized effects. Now all you have to do here is just to upload your picture, upload your picture, describe your scene, choose your model. I advise you leave the model as it is, because most of these effects work with their default model or work properly. So but you can always change your model, it doesn't still mean. So after that, just you will wait for some minutes before your video gets rendered, and you would have your video in this area where you can download it to your system and use it for your video project. So that's how to create a mystification effect on Higgsfield AI. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. We're actively trying to grow it.